I'd like to, this is Miss T Ideas. Thank you for watching my channel, and I thank you for the ones that's been hanging with me, rocking with me. They keep coming back. I appreciate you. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe. And anybody new to my channel, please like and subscribe. And I'm glad you're here. I'm glad all of y'all here. I want to unbox a gift I got from one of my people, and yeah, I'm so glad. I want to share it with y'all. This is an unboxing. Let me get it. Here's the box. Here's the box. And let's see. In this box, I got a calligraphy set. You know, I always thought about calligraphy. I've watched videos on calligraphy, and I don't have such a good handwriting. So I've always kind of liked it, the way calligraphy looks. And I got this. My light, you know, but ain't one thing is another, huh? I'm trying to raise it up a little bit. And so I got 33, I think it says 33 piece ensemble, 33 pieces. Points and pens. And along with this, I got everything that go with it, y'all. I was so excited when the mail came in. I got these gelatos. I heard gelatos are very pretty. And that's what I have with that, along with this. I have this creative lettering. This light is bothering me. I'm sure it's bothering you too. Let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do. I raised it up, so hopefully it's better. I don't know why. Creative letters. Let's see. You know, I hear people talk about that light, but I mean, it's my first time. No, this is a new setup too. Okay, got this. And these are, it's the kit, and it has, look like some stencils in it. Creative lettering. Creative letters, creative lettering, includes 64-pack design guidebook, comprehension manual, okay, I never opened it, but I mean, I know I'll be ecstatic when I do. And last but not least, on this package, I got the book, calligraphy book. Let me raise my camera up now. I had a problem with it up. Now I got it to come down some, and now it's still something. That's the lighting. Look. And the calligraphy for kids. Hey, y'all. Still look complicated to me. Very complicated. But I'm gonna work it out. And when I do, I'm gonna show you. some calligraphy writing. So, I just want to show you this unboxing of my calligraphy set that I got in the mail. One of my group members. And I got this creative lettering. And I also have this. So this is all I need to do what I need to do. How about that? So you want to see how this looks? Is that ink? Is this an ink to waste? Okay. Let me see here. Let me open this box. This is the creative letter. Put this over to the side. Have the pens, writing pens, and this here must be some ink. This is a brush and a, look at it, it feels like an eraser. But the brush has paper castile on it. See. Got the creative lettering pamphlet, like they said it was going to be in here. Okay, I guess this is the practice book, and it tells how to align the letters up and stuff. Anybody out there do calligraphy writing? If you do, put it down in the chat, please. Or if you're interested in doing calligraphy. I am. My handwriting isn't good. I don't like my own handwriting. A lot of people don't, I guess. But I know I don't. This say practice, so I guess there's some practice pages. Uh-oh. A little glue on there. Some practice pages. And I'll be able to write in calligraphy once I learn little notes. Thank you note, thank you cards. That's the first thing I'm going to start off on. Thank you. You know, thanking everyone. Yeah, I'm on the road to 500 subscribers. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. If I hit the algorithm, please like and subscribe. I told you there's going to be some different stuff going on here. So give me a lot of practice room. Oh, even has, I mean, what is that about? Some little patterns. That's supposed to be some freebies. It's a little bonus. Because it have some little drawings. Wow. And as a junk drawer, I use all these little drawings. And this is some stuff that we usually use in the junk journal. See the tag? Okay, I gotta read it all. I'm gonna have to read all of this to find out what I'm doing and what I need to do. here is some stencils. Wow. Little flags and stuff. Wow. How cool is that? Yeah. Envelope. It says something about an envelope. And some extra papers. Oh. Calligrapher. I also like to doodle, although I don't know how to doodle. Well, they say anybody can doodle. I have a doodling tablet, and I doodle around in it sometimes. Got the alphabets on it. And this is the bigger, the way these are, with the double line, and these with the single line. I don't really think that had nothing to do with calligraphy. Well, okay, now they have the cursive. It's pretty. I got a little piece of tape on this page and stuff is just sticking to it. This. One time I tried to write in calligraphy, and they say you can train yourself, even if it's not calligraphy, you can train yourself to have a different handwriting. You know, you just take your time and be aware of every stroke of the pen. Yeah, I tried it. And it does work. I tried it on my own. I hadn't seen nothing like this before. But the thing about it is, I never told this to anyone that I like calligraphy. And I got it in the mail. I'm in a group, and one of the group members, the ladies, sent me this. Isn't that sweet? Sent me all of this. Let's see if I can get this back in this bag. It's probably like a shirt. You take the shirt out and can't get it in. Okay. This is the pens. This is the pens. I sat here with no eyeglasses on. I didn't have no glasses on. And this is a little stencil stuff. I'll try to get this back in the bag. I'm not going to hold you long. I'm not going to hold you. I'm going to get this back in the bag. Oh, another thing, y'all. I've been trying to... What am I trying to do? Lost my train of thought. Lost my train of thought. Guess it wasn't important. Put this back in the box. Okay. So, I'm going to put this back in the box. Wasn't that thoughtful? Got the book and everything. Oh man, I just cherish this so much. Put it back in the box. Put this back in the box. And I'm going to put this back in the box. And this. Kind of heavy. Alright then. All my calligraphy stuff is back in the box. And this is Miss T Ideas with another video. If you like what you see, like and subscribe to my channel, please. I appreciate it. And I am working on my next junk journal. And yeah, that's coming together. And I'm going to show it to you in the next video. I'm working it on the next video. Also, I've been adult coloring. Adult coloring for your total well-being, calmness, and yeah. And I started off with a couple of dollar store adult coloring book, and I just happened to be gifted a couple of more, some more, you know, that's not dollar store. Although, hey, I appreciate my dollar store books, baby, don't get me wrong. But my daughter had some adult coloring books, and she moved away, so she passed them on to me. And I didn't even know she liked coloring. So anyway, I got some adult coloring books I've been coloring in. I color at night or whatever. But I'm going to show you those too on another video. This is Miss T Ideas. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye.